Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will guide you how you can easily use Toggl Plan. Now Toggl Plan is a good program that you can use for team project planning, and the first thing that you want to do is just click here, top right, sign up. Now if you already created an account guys, completely skip this step. If you don't create it, just go with me. So the first thing that you want to do is just write your email and password. And yes, I agree. Now let's just wait. How should we greet you? So now you gotta write your display name, and I'm going to Marcus Stanelius and continue. What brings you here, Marcus Stanelius? Save time when managing my team's work, get a better overview of who's doing what and when, better manage workloads and allocate people between projects. Save time, let's say. Continue. Workspace name, let's say YouTube workspace. Team type, you can agency, consultancy, service team. So let's say for me it's agency, and team size 5 people or less, and then click finish. You choose based on your. And now voila. So first thing first, when you're gonna enter Toggl Plan, you'll see it right here. Adding your team is the first step towards planning and scheduling work without hassle. You can simply add a team members. You would add a name, let's say Marcusino, click add, and voila, here we got. And then you can also invite the team members through email right here. See, and you could easily invite someone new. So that's how we do it, and you would write in email address here and invite. Close. Now I'm going to also verify my email address. And here we are. So we verified our email address, and now let's see what you can actually achieve with your Toggl Plan. So the first thing that you can do is to create plan. You would go on a plans right here. Plan timelines and boards help you focus on a single plan. From outline, implement, and the final decision. So I would simply click add new plan here. And you have options to add enabled views, boards, and timeline. So we're gonna have both. Name your plan, YouTube videos. And I can change also the color here. Let's say I'm going to have it red. Then I would click add right here. And voila. So in a moment, when you're gonna create a plan, I would have a board here and I would have a timeline. So I can simply switch between these two. So let's say I'm going to start with a timeline. Here, I can close the menu on the top right. Let me show you. Then I'm going to have filters, and I can filter based on tags, status, and sign in. I can switch right here between board and timeline. And then I can also disable views here. Now what I can do is go to top right and simply add a task, share, or edit, favorite, follow the plan, duplicate the plan, manage users, import, export. So I'm going to click on add a task, and now type a task name. So let's say this is going to be YouTube script. Status to do, yes. Plan YouTube videos, yes. Assignee, Marcus Stanelius. And from, let's say this is going to be from 21st to 22nd. And then you have like other properties here, like segment. And we could have it, and you could write what kind of segment it is. Time estimate, start, end time. You can repeat it, and tags. So I could simply write also some notes here. These are my notes. And I would click send. Also, you can like write it. And I can add sub items right here to the item. Sub item 1. Sub item 2. And now we got it, right? how it looks like, pretty good. I would press X and voila. I can also change the dates here. Let's say it's going to be much longer. And this is the to-do that we have to have. Then I would click board. I can see clearly the to-do task right here. So not only on timeline I'm going to see it, I'm going to see it also on board. And let's create another one, but it's not going to be for me. It's going to be for my employee. YouTube SEO, status to do, or let's say it's going to be in progress. Plan, it's YouTube videos. Assignee Mark Casino. From, let's say it's going to be next week, from Friday to Sunday. And you can also add a comment, notes, to do item, and you can upload files here, and I will press X. And voila, as you can see, we got it right here. And when we click on a board, we don't see it here yet. Status, it's going to be in progress. When I click on a board, I can see in progress my task. Of course, you can simply add a task here in a board. Right? So you see it's working really well. And this is pretty much how we do it. Now I can click here again on the top left and see that these are my plans. I can go to teams here and click on my team, what is actually happening, or you can have multiple plans here. Or what you can do is to simply click on my work, and that's what you can do too, and find it right here. So this is how we do it. It's pretty straightforward and pretty easy. Then you're gonna see also updates. And the next thing that I want to show you is right when you're gonna click my profile, set up sub settings here, okay? So this is also really important. When you will be on my profile, you're gonna see the first, last name, email, start week. Let's say you're starting on Tuesday, you will have it as Tuesday. I'm going to have Monday because I started Monday. Time zone, you can have whatever time zone you want. You would also get notification emails for tasks you follow. Some notifications here in marketing emails. And then you're gonna see the timeline here as a pin me on top and fade down done tasks. You can have also experimental, you can hide contrast mode, and you can enable dark mode. So that's something that I would definitely recommend to have, dark mode, because in the moment when you're gonna work in the evening, it can be really overwhelming. Users, you can invite apps, integrations, and billing. So that's pretty much how we do it. And this is pretty much how we use Toggl Plan, guys. So I don't know what else to show you because Toggl Plan is really simple tool that you can use and it's nothing difficult. Like how we can master it. So yeah, if you can have any questions, ask me down in the comments. Happy to help you, happy to guide you. This is how you can use the Toggl Plan. Have a great day and goodbye. See ya.